The topic to be discussed here is the 7 segment display. 7 segment display. The 7 segment display has 7 LEDs called segments arranged in the shape of number 8. They are easy to use and cost effective. First important point here is the 7 segment display has 7 LEDs called segments arranged in the shape of number 8. Number 8. Shape of number 8 means this one is the 8th number. Shape of number 8. Generally, the most 7 segment display actually have 8 segments with a dot on the right side of the digit that serves as a decimal point. Most 7 segment displays actually have 8 segments with a dot on the right side of the display that serves as a decimal point. That serves as a decimal point. This one is the 8th number and some decimal point here, DC. Each segment is named with the letter A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Each segment is named with a letter and A to J and DP. This is the DP, not the DC. This is the DP for the decimal point. This is the pin configuration of 7 segment display. Pin configuration. Pin configuration of 7 segment display. Here the general pin configuration is like that. This one, each segment is represented by some letter. This one is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and these are. This one is the 5 pins. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. These are the 5 pins. These are the here A, B. This one is decimal point, DP. This one is a common point. This one is common point here. Third one is common point. This one is a G. This one is F, E, D, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and some common point is there. This is the pin configuration. Generally, two types of 7-segment displays are there. One is a common cathode, cathode 7-segment display. Common cathode 7-segment display. In common cathode 7-segment display, we require A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 LEDs. For A letter, we use 1 LED, B letter another, up to 7 LEDs. This is the common cathode. Cathodes of all 7 LEDs. Cathodes of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 and 7. These cathodes. This one is anode and this one is cathode. This is common cathode 7-segment display. This is all are combined and connected to ground and connected to ground. Here ground is there. This one is A means anode, C means cathode. A, B, C, D, E, F, G letters. This one is a 7-segment display arranged in the shape of 8th number. This one is A, B, C, D, E, F, and G. For 0, here 0, here A, B, C, D, E, F, and G. For 0, this line is on, this LED is on means A is connected to VCC, and already anode of this first LED is connected to VCC. Cathode is already connected to common terminal. Therefore, A is on, B is on, C is on, D is on, E is on, F is on for 0, for 0 indication. A is 1. This one is A is 1, B is 1, C is 1. 1 means VCC. C is 1, D is 1, E is 1, F is 1, and G is not required. For 0 means 0 symbol here is 0. This is the this one is 0. This one is 0. For F, for G, this is the G, 0. Similarly, for 1 means only 1 means A is 0, B, C is 1, the remaining all are 0. 1 means this is the 1. A is 0, B is 1, C is 1, B is 1, and C is 1. The remaining all are zeros. Next to 2. For 2 means that is this is the 2. 2 means here A is 1. A compulsory is on. A, B, G, E, and D. A is for second one. A is on. B is on. C 0. D is on. E is on. F0, G is on. For second one, 1 1 0 1 1 0. For 3, 3 means here third letter. A is 1, B is 1, C is 1. Here D is 1 and G is 1. A is 1, B is 1, C is 1 and D is 1. And the remaining E, this one is E line 0, F line is also 0. G line, this one is G line is 1. In this way, up to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 means A, 11 means B, C, D, E, and F. These are the, based on that one, I have to fill these for fourth one 0 1 1 0 0 1 1. For fifth one 1 0 1 1 0 1 1 0 1 1. For sixth one, sixth means we use this one. Sixth one 1 0 1 4 ones. For seventh one, 7 means this one is the 7. A, B, C is on, the remaining all are zeros. A, B, C on, the remaining all are zeros. In this way, you have to fill all these. For A, this one is A, letter A. B, this one is B. C, D. This is the D. Next, this one is E. F means this one is the F. This one is the F. 0. This one is 0. For 0, this one is 0. For 1, for 2, for 3, for 4, for 5, for 6, for 7, for 8, 9, A. This is the A. This is the B. This one is C. This one is D. This one is E. This one is F. This is the common cathode 7-segment display. In common cathode 7-segment display, all the cathodes are combined and connected to ground. Common anode, this is the next to common anode. Common anode 7 segment 7-segment display. In common anode means here all the anodes of 7 LEDs. One, two, three, four, five, six, 7. This one is A, B, C, D, E, F, G. These are all the anode. This one is anode, cathode, anode, cathode, anode, cathode. All the anodes are combined. All the anodes are combined to connected to common point is here is VCC. In the this one is the 7 segment display. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. For a 0 number display, this one is for a 0 number display. Here, A is on. Whenever A is on, this one is A, B, C, D, E, F, G. When A is on, A is LED on, A is connected to ground. That means 0. When B is on, already anode is connected to VCC, cathode is connected to ground. B is 0. C is connected to ground. D is connected to ground. E is connected to ground. F is connected to ground. G, here G is not forward biased. Reverse biased means G is set at high. Here anode is already connected to high. Cathode is whenever cathode is connected, G is connected to VCC. That means 1. That is reverse biased. Therefore, 0 is displayed like that in this fashion. Next 1. 1 means only BC. Only BC are connected to ground. Only BC are connected to ground. Only BC are connected to ground means these these two cathodes are forward biased. Okay, the remaining are set to 1, reverse biased. In this fashion, we have to display all the numbers. This is the common cathode and common anode 7 segment display. In that one, some common point is there. This is the common terminal. This common terminal is internally connected. Okay, by using a UNO Ardunio board, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and DP. These are the points, pins of that 7 segment display assigned Ardunio board, UNO board digital pins. Digital pins are from 13 to 0. Assign some digital pins 13, suppose 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, like that. These are the Ardunio UNO board digital pins. Out of 10 pins, 8 pins are assigned to Ardunio board digital pins. The remaining 2 are common. This one is common and this one is common. Total 10. These common pins are internally connected. Now identification whether a given LED is a common anode LED or a common cathode LED. How to identify is the very important. Now I will explain how to identify the LEDs. Common anode configuration of a 7-segment display. Common anode configuration of 7-segment display. In common cathode 7-segment display, all the cathodes of that LEDs are combined, connected to ground, but anodes are not connected. Anodes are not connected. Now, for a given 7-segment display, identify whether it is common cathode 7-segment display or common anode 7-segment display. Pick up 7-segment display from this components. This one is 7-segment display here. See the 7-segment display. And pick up Ardunio board, breadboard, and Ardunio UNO board from here. These are the 8 pins. This one is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and DP, decimal point, and a common point is also there here. Suppose have to create ground point and 5 volts point on the breadboard. See the ground point and 5 volts from this one. This is the 5 volts point. Pick up resistance. Resistance value is 1 kilo ohm. Consider suppose let it be common anode. Common anode means common point of that LED, not a 7-segment display, is connected to 7-segment display is connected. Common point is connected to VCC. Common point here. This is the common point. Common point is connected to this is the common point. Common point is connected to VCC. This common point here, this is also another common point. This is also another common point. Now, for A point, A is connected to ground. Simulate this one. Okay. That A line of that 8th number is on. Therefore, it is a common anode 7-segment display. It is a common anode 7-segment display. In common anode 7-segment display, these common points. These are the common points. These are the 2 common points. These common points are connected to VCC supply. These 2 common points are internally connected. These 2 common points are internally connected. That common point is connected to VCC through resistance. And A A, B, C, D all are connected to ground for verification purpose. Suppose instead of A, B is connected to ground. This is the B point. Simulate this one. Second, this is the D line is on. Therefore, this is the common anode LED, 7-segment display, not LED, 7-segment display. First, for a given LED, we have to identify whether it is a common anode 7-segment display or common cathode 7-segment display. This is the common anode 7-segment display. By using this procedure, we have to identify the common anode 7-segment display or common cathode 7-segment display. Suppose common cathode means common point is connected to ground and common point is connected to ground and the remaining are connected to VCC in common cathode. All the cathodes are connected to ground. Anodes are not connected to ground. This is the common anode 7-segment display.